Question number 7. Focus is 6, 0 and the directrix is x equals minus 6. So your focus is 6, 0. Where does the point lie? It lies here. So how does your parabola look like? It will look like this. So 6, 0 and your directrix is over here. So what is the equation? It is symmetric about the x-axis. So you will have a y square equals 4ax plus or minus. இந்த பக்கம் இருக்கு. It is to the right of the y-axis, positive side. So it's a plus. So what is your value of a? A is 6 because your focus is a comma 0, which is 6 comma 0. What does your equation look like? Y square equals 4 times 6 times x. So it is y square equals 24x. That's the equation of your parabola. Okay. Question number 8. Focus is 0 comma minus 3 and your directrix is y equals 3. So where does your 0 comma minus 3 lie? It lies on the negative side of the y-axis. So the point lies here. So it is a downward facing parabola. So your point is 0 comma minus 3 and your directrix is y equals 3. So what does your equation look like? It is symmetric about the y-axis. So you will have the x square term equals 4ay. It is facing downwards. It is to the negative side of the x-axis. So you have a minus 4ay. So what is your a? It is 3. It is not minus 3. Okay, it is 0 comma minus a. So your a is 3. So what does your equation become? X square equals minus 4 times 3 times y. So x square equals minus 12y. Okay. In the இடத்துல minus 3 போட்டா it will become x square equals 12y. Your parabola will be facing upwards. Correct? It will change the whole equation, whole question. So be very careful. Your a is only 3. The focus is 0 comma minus a. Okay. Next question. Question number 9. The vertex is 0 comma 0 and the focus is 3 comma 0. So where does your focus 3 comma 0 lie? 3 comma 0 lies here. So your parabola is something like this. Vertex is 0 comma 0. It doesn't matter in our case. So இது வந்து 3 comma 0. So what is the equation to your directrix? X is equal to minus a, which is minus 3. So what does your equation look like? It is symmetric about the x-axis. So you have y square equals 4ax. It is plus because it is to the right of the y-axis, positive direction. So இது வந்து y square equals 4ax. What is your a? It is 3. So it's y square equals 4 times 3 into x, which is y square equals 12x. Okay. Question number 10. Vertex is at 0 comma 0 and the focus is at minus 2 comma 0. Minus 2 comma 0 எங்க இருக்கு? It is over here. So this is a left-handed parabola and it intersects at 0 comma 0. Okay. So this is the vertex 0 comma 0. I have minus 2 comma 0. So what is your directrix? It's x is equal to 2. So what does your equation look like? It is symmetric about the x-axis. So you have a y square term equals 4ax. Inge y irundha inge x. Okay. And here it is to the left of the x-axis. Correct? So this becomes a minus. So what is your a? Your a is 2. Minus a comma 0. So minus 2 comma 0. So your a is 2. What does your equation look like? Y square equals minus 4 times 2 into x. So y square equals minus 8x. Okay. Question number 11. Vertex is at 0 comma 0 passing through 2 comma 3 and is along the x-axis. Along x-axis. இது கொடுக்கலனாலும் how do you know where the parabola lies? Where does the point 2 comma 3 lie? 2 comma 3 lies here. So either it is an upward parabola or it is a right-sided facing parabola. It is along the x-axis. So it is this one. This is along the y-axis. So you neglect this parabola and you are left with this. So what does your diagram look like? It looks like this. So it passes through the point 2 comma 3 and the vertex is at 0 comma 0. So what does your focus point look like? It is a comma 0. It is not yet given. Okay. So your equation looks like it is symmetric along the x-axis. So you have y square equals 4ax. There's a plus sign here because to the right of the y-axis. And the equation to your directrix is x equals a. X equals minus a. Okay. X equals minus a. So I have 2 comma 3 lies on this. 2 comma 3 lies on the parabola. So on substituting the values, I have 3 square equals 4 times 2 into a. Okay, this time I am substituting for x and not a. So I have 4 times 2 into a. So 9 equals 8a. So a equals 9 by 8. So your focus is a comma 0, which is 9 by 8 comma 0. So what does my equation look like? Y square equals 4ax. So this gets cancelled. I have y square equals 9 by 2x. I can also write it as 2y square equals 9x. Okay. Similarly, question number 12. The vertex is 0, 0 and passes through the point 5, 2 and is symmetric with respect to the y-axis. Okay. So how does your parabola look like? 5, 2 lies somewhere here. Again, now it is symmetric along the y-axis. So you have this parabola. You have to rule out this parabola. It is symmetric along the y-axis. Okay. You just make it touch the origin. Okay. Because one of the vertex is 0, 0 and this point is 5, 2. So what does your equation look like? This is symmetric along the y-axis. So I have x square equals 4ay. It is a positive 4ay because it is on the positive side of the x-axis. Okay. So on substituting 5, 2 lies on the parabola. So I have 5 square equals 4 times a times 2. X and y you correct substitute pannunga. This is x square. So 5 square. A is 2. So you have 25 equals 8a. A equals 25 divided by a. So what is my focus point? My focus point is 0, a and my equation to the directrix is y equals minus a. Okay. So what is my focus? It is 0, 25 by 8. What does my equation look like now? X square equals 4 times 25 by 8 times y. So it is x square equals, this gets cancelled. I have 25 by 2y, which is also 2x square equals 25y. Okay. So with this we are done with parabolas. Thank you so much for watching Math and Me. Do subscribe the channel. Adutha video la we'll see ellipse and hyperbola. Okay. Bye.